Hello there, taking a quick look here at this white noise machine. Of course, the one that you see here is the black one, and I already have one of these. This is everything that comes in the box. You get the manual, you get the adapter for the USB plug from USB to mini USB. Over here you can see the buttons: play button, pause button, volume up, volume down, previous sound, next sound. This is the light, and this is the RGB. I think you could change the color or the mode. Over here in the back, this is where you put the micro USB, the power button. This is the LED that says if it is powered on. You get the timer here, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, and 90 minutes. This is the timer button, and also you get a 3.5, so you could put headphones on. Over here you could go ahead and open this and put a battery, which is one like this one's here. This is a 18650 3000 milliamps battery. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. So in order to use this with battery, you have to press here from 3 to 5 seconds. You see the LED, the blue one, is already on. So the material is all plastic. What I can see, you get the big speaker here on top. I'm gonna go ahead and do a test. Let's do a test. I'm gonna go ahead and with my iPad just put CD sounds. You hear that? Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. This is what I use it for, so I could sleep during the day. That way I don't hear sounds outside of my room. Just raise the volume until it's comfortable. I have to sleep during the day, so this helps me a lot, not to be waking up by dog barks or anything outside the room. You see that? Let's go ahead and go through the sounds now. Let me turn off the CD sounds. Let's go ahead and go through the sounds now. That's like rain, heavy rain. Heavy rain on the lower pitch. Again, lower pitch. That sounds like a fan. That's like fire. I wouldn't be able to sleep with that. It's a creek. More rain. Creek. That's like a heartbeat, unborn baby. Maybe for a baby. Clock. I wouldn't be able to sleep with this. Nice bird sounds. Maybe not for sleeping, but just to put in during the day, like a background noise. I guess those are crickets. Maybe that like inside car noise. Inside train. That's relaxing. And there you go, back to rain, heavy rain. We turn it off. Let's try the light here. So there you go. You press again, turn off. This RGB fade through colors. Let's press it again, let's see what happens. Off. Alright. So there you go. Hey, can you help my channel by subscribing? I would gladly appreciate it. Thank you for watching.